For the past 25 years, National Bimini Tops has been the leading supplier of bimini tops, carrying the widest selection and the best brands on the market. This video is a simple guide to help you better understand the differences in brands we offer, depending on use and price you're looking for. Starting off at the top end, we have the Elite Series by Somerset, featuring the highest performance fabrics on the market. This is for the most discriminating customer who wants the very best in the industry. Backed with an 8-year warranty, these tops represent the pinnacle of performance and protection and are perfect for extended exposure to marine elements and UV rays. Elite tops are handmade with 100% genuine Sunbrella or Sunflare fabric, both rated top in the industry. Both fabrics are 9-ounce solution-dyed acrylic, come in an array of vibrant colors, and are engineered to deliver years of outdoor performance in harsh marine environments. The Elite Series Bimini comes with rear support poles, specially designed to hold your bimini top firmly in place. Each canvas comes with a matching fabric bimini boot for easy storage, and if you want the very best, this is the choice for you. Next in line is our Cooltech series of Somerset, made from Aqualon Edge fabric. Cooltech is backed with a 6-year warranty and are especially suited to very wet conditions or extreme heat, offering a 30% reduction in surface temperature. Aqualon Edge material has a white underside with a colored top, is 100% waterproof, and offers unrivaled heat reduction, heat reflection, and UV resistance to keep shaded surfaces protected. Cooltech Bimini tops are available in a variety of colors. The Cooltech Series Bimini comes with rear support poles. Rear support poles are specially designed to hold your bimini top firmly in place. Each canvas comes with a matching fabric bimini boot for easy storage. Our third choice is the best-selling original Somerset Bimini top with proven Marinex marine-grade boat cover fabric. This is where value meets price. Somerset Bimini kits are backed with a 3-year warranty, perfect for all-round use, and represent a superior quality product. The proprietary Marinex fabric is 600D 6.9-ounce solution-dyed polyester. This original Somerset Series Bimini comes with rear support poles. Rear support poles are specially designed to hold your bimini top firmly in place. Each canvas comes with a matching fabric bimini boot for easy storage. The combination of quality and price makes Somerset an unbeatable value. Finally, our in-store National Bimini Tops brand. This exclusive brand outperforms any entry-level price bimini you see out on internet marketplaces or in marine shops. They come with a 1-year warranty and are positioned as a quality entry-level product at an economical price point. NBT brand tops are made of solution-dyed 600D polyester. Each canvas comes with a matching fabric bimini boot for easy storage. All Somerset Series and the National Bimini Tops brand come with high-quality frame kits which include rigid tube assembly, rated for up to 45 miles per hour. 1-inch Super-Trude extruded aluminum frames finished in a high polished shine. Snap-together frame for easy assembly. Stainless steel mounting hardware. 180-degree swivel mounts for enhanced mounting options. And matching fabric bimini boot for easy storage. At National Bimini Tops, we offer the largest selection of high-quality bimini tops on the market. If ever you need assistance with a selection, fit, or specifications, please contact us today. We're here and happy to help.